Okay, Mike and Preston, congratulations again. Wanted to make a quick video here for you, and then also for whatever contractor that you choose to get some work done here. So this is going to be kind of like a wish list or something, a list of things that I would do to the place if it were my place, and some renovations or upgrades or what have you, and just some thoughts and ideas. So first of all, we talked about this garage and putting in a door, detached garage from the main unit for the contractor that is going to be maybe seeing this video, putting a door in this wall here so that we can, a pedestrian door to be able to access the unit. Again, this is a detached garage. We got a vent here, a vent down over there, but it looks like we got electrical coming up here. Logical place would have been in this bay right here to install the door, kind of off in the corner, but we do have the electrical coming up through the slab. So, and then you have the vent there. I mean, we could put the door here, but then move the vent over there. I don't know. Or you just take this bay right here and install a new door to the right of that vent down there. So if you wanted to put some drywall on the walls here, paint it in here, it might look nice. Looks like you got some damage to this drywall here. Could be patched up and replaced. Up to you, lots of little holes that you could fill in. You might want to just leave it. It's a garage, for God's sakes. But if you wanted to make it look nice, you could get somebody to come in here and patch up the little areas and take care of that. So door in the garage I think would be awesome. I'll need to get the code for this for you. I think you can just close it by pressing. Nope, maybe not. All right, we'll try and get the code. All right, gonna put this on pause. So as we're walking around, this is the detached garage building. There's our little walkway here. Also, we would need to get HOA approval, obviously. So for our garage, this is our vent here. So in order to put a door here, we'd need to remove some of the planting in here. We would also need to extend the sidewalk this way, and then might have to take this bush out, and I don't know if they would allow that or not. So anyhow, this is where you would want to have that door, and as we know, there's a door on that other detached garage down there that is already in place. This is another thing. I don't know if